The following portion of Daytime is sponsored by Older Lundy Koch and Martino.
At a time when AI is making daily work easier for business owners, our next guest says there are some things that entrepreneurs should be careful with. Joining us to share the do's and don'ts of using AI to create a brand is attorney Thomas Stanton, who specializes in intellectual property protection, technology law, and complex business matters for Older Lundy. Hi, Thomas. Welcome.
Hi, thanks for having me.
It's so easy to use AI, and people use it all the time to make logos or marketing materials. But who actually owns what AI creates?
So it's a good question, and there's still some body of law that's undeveloped around it. The short answer is that if AI creates it on its own without prompting, then it's public domain. If you prompt the AI and you do enough prompting and enough creative work, then you do have ownership in it. But it is a question that needs to be fleshed out more from a legal perspective. But if you treat it a little bit more like an intern, if you will, and you keep prompting it and you keep directing it, the chances of you being able to argue that it's your intellectual property go up.
Okay, so you'd likely be more successful to make that argument
yes.
that way. What about if you use AI to create a logo? Can you trademark it to fully protect your brand that way?
You can, yeah. So you can use any logo, if you will, regardless of who creates it, as long as you have the rights to do it. So if it's in the public domain, then you're allowed to do it. So with a trademark, you're not taking ownership from a copyright perspective. You're linking that brand to a good or service that you are promoting.
What do you think are some risks that people should be aware of when it comes to AI-generated images and materials?
So one thing people don't realize is that AI uses what it has available to it in the public domain, typically. And so if it takes a copyrighted work of art and it repurposes it and it doesn't change it enough to make it not a copyright violation, and you use it, whether you know it or not, you're still liable.
And what are some steps that you would recommend that business owners take to protect themselves when it comes to AI?
Treat it like you would an intern. Treat it like you would an assistant, if you will. And don't take it as it knows everything. And make sure you're guiding it, make sure you're being clear about that, and then also double check the work. Sometimes you can double check it by using multiple AIs to check against each other. There's also additional AI tools out there that can help to determine whether or not what you've created is obvious that it's created by AI.
Right.
So
Thomas,
you can do that as well.
Thank you, Thomas. Really appreciate that. And if you'd like more information, remember that you can visit olderlundylaw.com or call the number on your screen. It's 813-254-8998.
The preceding portion of Daytime was sponsored by Older Lundy Koch and Martino.